Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin nyo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang po yan sa Facebook. Okay? And please do comment down below. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo, guys. Please, mag-iwan kayo sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, malaking bagay na po. Again, this is for water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. You do wear the 10 of Swords. King of Wands. The moon is here. Wow. One more card. Ace of Cups. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. I'm seeing a separation sa'yo at dito sa person na ito. Nakakita tayo ng ending with the Ten of Swords. Pero, nakikita natin na parang gusto pa rin mag-reach nitong person na ito. Gusto niya pa rin mag-reach out. Gusto pa rin niya ng another chance. Or gusto niya na, if you're dealing with a soulmate, you do have the moon, this could be a soulmate, this could be your dream person, or your person na lumalabas sa panaginip mo. Mahal ka nitong taong to eh. The Ace of Cups. There's a lot of love coming from this person. So, although natapos na kung ano man yung meron sa inyo, parang itong person na to hindi siya titigil. Hindi siya napapagod. Nagpapahinga lang pero nandun pa rin yung kagustuhan niya na makuha ka or ma-reach ka. Like, dito sa energy pa lang ng damo, no? Can you see the two dogs here? I mean, dito sa energy na to, I feel like hindi lang isa yung may gustong makuha ka. Like, napakaswerte yung mga taong nakuha ka na. Nakuha kang maging kaibigan, nakuha kang maging like kasama or partner or karelasyon yung iba. So, napakaswerte nila because you are the moon. No? Etong energy ng mga dogs dito, it's like those people na gusto kang makabanding man lang. Napakaswerte ng mga mapipili mo. No? Ang energy mo talaga, it's like you're a real cat. Ano ba yung kaugalian ng isang pusa? Yung pusa kasi, hindi siya katulad ng tao, ng aso, na nangahagat or nang hihingi ng atensyon mula sa kanilang amo. Yung cat, parang sila yung nasusunod. No? So, pagdating sa pakikipag-connect or pakikipag-friends or pakikipagsalamuha sa iba, ikaw yung nakikita nating nasusunod. Maybe you're even a boss in real life. Pero ito nga, sa energy na ito, may tao tayo nakikitaan nito na talagang matinding emosyon ang nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. And gusto niya mag-reach out, gusto niyang makuha ka. Yan, nandun talaga yung paghahanga dito ng taong to. It's like you are his or her favorite person. Ikaw yung pinaka-paborito niyang tao sa mundo. What will happen? Or no, kuha pa tayong messages. Present moment. Messages for present moment for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You do have the Three of Wands. This person miss you. Page of Cups. The Fool. And one more card. Nine of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. I feel like itong person na ito na tinutukoy natin, parang naghahanap siya ng pagmamahal. Kasi hindi niya makita dito sa taong kasama niya ngayon. Like, I feel like there's another person na involved. Pero hindi niya makita, hindi siya natutuwa dun sa person na kakonect niya. I'm feeling like wala dun yung interest niya sa taong yun. This person is also only interested at you. No? Yung person na kakonect niya ngayon, it's like ang dami niyang hinahanap dun. Lagi kanya nakukumpara dun. Diba? And this person, nandun yung pagmamahal niya talaga sa'yo because, lalo na kung hindi naman natin masabing relihiyoso, but pwede sabihin na lang natin medyo malapit ka talaga pagdating sa Panginoon. Sabihin na natin ganun. And yun yung isa sa nagustuhan niya sa'yo. No? You do know how to pray, you do know how to present yourself, like nandun yung class sa'yo. So yung person na to really likes to have you. No? And I feel like the energy here is parang sukan-suka siya dun sa person na kakonect niya. Hindi siya masaya. So, what will happen in the near future for you, water sign? What will happen in the near future for you, water sign? For water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. High Priestess is here. And the Hermit. The Two of Wands, Nine of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. In the near future, nakikita natin yung I feel like there's pagbabaliwala na mangyayari in the near future pagdating sa relasyon. This is the relationship ng person mo at sa person niya. May pagpapabaliwala. And I can see problems pagdating sa pera, sa naipon. I can see yung person mo na pwedeng nauunti-unti na kung ano man yung mga savings na meron siya. And with the Page of Pentacles, they are both not satisfied sa kayang ibigay or ipakita ng bawat isa. I don't know, you could be a cross watcher. Yan. Nine of Swords. In the future, nakita talaga tayo. This is problem here. Problemang, parang mahirap solusyonan. Parang, the energy here is like, it's the cat here na talagang pinipigil na pigil niya yung sarili niya. And, ganun yung energy ng connection nila. Kasi pagdating sa'yo, you are the two of wands. You are focusing on your plans. May mga plano ka. Nakikita natin that you are interested sa ibang bagay, sa ibang larangan. Maybe you are the high priestess. This is your energy, and the hermit. So, wala kang interest or sa ngayon, wala kang pakialam dito sa person na ito. And in the near future, ganun pa rin. Walang pakialam because there's a third party na involved, and that is what is happening here. So, there would be talk or pag-uusap, pero hindi ganun kadalas. And you have gained a lot of love and respect, no? And, yeah, wala na akong masabi kasi this is all about you loving yourself. And alam mo yung deserve mong pagmamahal, and maaaring nakikita mong hindi mo yun makukuha sa taong ito sa ngayon and sa future. So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.